is arrangement number 2. I have to ask your patience with this arrangement. I want to show you this wonderful pig's straw, and I have filled it up with gravel and 2 Kensans here and some water, because today I chose to work with one material, and it is called a walking iris or abanico. The walking iris or abanico is here in the Philippines, and it looks like the Japanese iris. And to show you how Japan reveres this flower, in book 1 they give it a space, and in book 5 they give it more than 2 pages. It is celebrated in May 5, and it's called the Boys' Day, because in Japan they like boys. Sorry, but I'm doing this outdoors, outside of my studio, and we had fog today and we have rain. So my secretary is out there near the rain. So you have to bear with us. But I wanted to finish this arrangement today. It's a challenge for me. I have to ask for your patience because it's the first time I'm working with the abanico. The abanico is different from the Japanese iris. Luckily for me, I have worked with the Japanese iris, and my teacher, Lucille Evans from Hong Kong, taught me several times how to work with this material. And to show you how it is revered, Mrs. Evans took out her most expensive lacquer, which was wrapped up in a furoshiki and stored in the highest corner of her house to let me use this very expensive vase for the Japanese iris. But today I want to share a little of Japan with you. So I have chosen this very worn out, I think it's Molave. It is super heavy. 2 people have to carry this. And then the bato is Piedra China from my old house in Forbes. So I thought of putting this wood on top of the Piedra China to give you a little wabi-sabi. So now we will start with the flowers, and I have to share with you what I did. This material is very difficult to work with because it is like onion bulbs. So when you cut the root, the leaves and the flowers fall apart. Or if you try to use the ends of it, it melts and it becomes mushy, and you cannot put it in your Kensan. So I thought of getting the Guinea gold stems, and I put the leaf of the abanico inside the stem so I can use the stem to put into the Kensan. Since I am doing this backward, it is going to be a little of a challenge for me to do this arrangement. So I'll do the first one, the small one,